Sally, I am trying to paint some miniatures here. What do you want?
What's your favorite Space Marine chapter?
You're not going to leave until I answer, right?
Nope.
Fine, the Ultramarines.
You mean the ones with a toilet seat for an insignia?
That's an Omega symbol, which is fitting because when you think of Space Marines, you think of the Ultramarines. The Ultramarines are legendary in the Imperium and would serve as the basis for future chapters of Space Marines. Even Warhammer 40K itself uses them often when Space Marines need to be represented, making them almost mascots of the franchise.
Well, that was a mistake, because the template should have been the Black Templars.
Are you serious, Sally? The Black Templars are borderline heretics who march around in blatant disregard for the Codex Astartes with their quote-unquote crusade.
True, but there's other Space Marines who aren't compliant with the Codex Astartes, such as the Dark Angels. Just because they aren't Codex Astartes compliant doesn't make them worse Space Marines.
Fair, but typically if you aren't Codex Astartes compliant, it means that you are kinda nuts. For instance, unlike other Space Marines, they see the Emperor of Mankind as a god. And they don't even have their own homeworld.
Most of the Imperium sees the Emperor of Mankind that way. I'm surprised that other Space Marines don't.
Because they have some actual sense.
Anyway, Black Templars have several bases on each planet that they conquer, which are many because they have equal victories in their name.
If we want to talk about victories, Ultramarines have so many it could fill an entire library. Guilliman is now the Lord Regent of the Imperium. I don't see your crusading wannabes doing that.
That's because your precious blueberry was saved by the Eldar.
I'm sorry, what did you call Guilliman?
A blueberry.
Take it back, Sally.
He is a living, breathing blueberry. You
That's
get back here and accept the truth that your precious Guilliman is a blue-colored fruit.